Welcome to clickmyproject.com, where we discuss about the project fusion of iris and fingerprint biometric for security purpose. Where we discuss about the project fusion of iris and fingerprint biometric for security purpose. In this project, we use iris and fingerprint images as biometric security images. We use iris image to extract the features by hog feature and fingerprint images to extract the minute points. The minute points are differ from person to person, so the authentication is best result. We use Euclidean distance to calculate the matching process. Euclidean distance in the sense is calculate the distance between feature values. It retrieves the minimum distance. We use zero distance. If the distance is 0, then it displays the authentication result. If the distance is greater than the 0, it displays not authenticated result. We use iris image. Then the iris image is converted into filtered image. The filtered image use the denoised pixels. Then it perform feature extraction. Before that, eyelid only is extracted from the eye image. Hog feature is used for feature extraction. Hog in the sense we use histogram of gradient feature method. This extract the gradient points from the given eyelid image. The gradient point consists 81 values. These 81 values are constructed as a gradient values, and we use that as feature values, and it's stored in a mat file. Then we use the fingerprint image. The fingerprint image is converted into binary image. The converted binary image is then calculated minute points. The minute points is from fingerprint. The minute points is displayed as dark red color in the manner. Then the minute values are stored in the feature values. The feature values are used for authentication purpose. Iris authentication and fingerprint authentication in the same manner. We combine the feature values to fuse the values. The fused value is used for Euclidean distance. Euclidean distance in the sense we calculate the distance. Finally, it gives the results. Let me see the flow of the project. Fusion of iris and fingerprint biometric for security purpose. Initially, we give input image as eye. Eye image is then perform denoising. The denoising process removes the noisy pixel. For this project, we use median filter. Median filter calculate the median value as a thresholding value, and then remove the pixel values based on the median value. Then perform eyelid separation. Eyelid separation is the process is to calculate the eyelid point, then crop out the eyelid from the given eye image. Then the cropped eye image is performed for further process. As the hog feature is extracted for the eyelid process. Eyelid image is then perform hog feature. Hog feature in the sense hog is a histogram of gradient points. It calculates 81 gradient points from the eyelid image. The calculated eyelid hog feature is stored in a mat file. This is stored as iris feature. At the same time, we should input the fingerprint image. Then the fingerprint image is also perform the pre-processing, that is denoising process. This is also done by the median filter. Then the pre-processed fingerprint image is then perform binary conversion. The binary image is used for calculating minute points. The minute points are calculated, and the points pixel values are stored as a minute feature. The minute feature points are stored in a mat file format. We already stored iris feature as a mat file, and we now store the minute feature as mat file. We have two mat files, then combine the iris and fingerprint values into one mat file. This is called fusion. Fusion in the sense it combines the iris and fingerprint features. This is the process is one time already done and saved in the mat file format. This mat file is further used for authentication purpose. When the authentication point, we should input the eye image and fingerprint image, then perform denoising and feature extraction. and then fuse the features, then calculate the Euclidean distance with fused image and already stored map file. If the variance is equal to 0, then it displays the result as authenticated. If the variance is greater than 0, then it displays the result as not authenticated. This is the process done by this manner, this flow. Let me discuss about the running procedure of the project. Fusion of iris and fingerprint biometric for security purpose. Right click on the main.m file and select run. This is the execution window. First press the load iris button. Select the first iris image. Thus denote the first person's iris image. Then perform pre-processing. Pre-processing is the step to remove the noisy pixels. Then click the polar image button. This denote the eyelid position. This perform the eyelid extraction. Then press the eyelid extraction button to crop out the eyelid from the eye image. Then press the load fingerprint button. You are selecting the first iris button, so that you must select the first fingerprint. This denotes the first person's fingerprint. Then perform pre-processing. Pre-processing is just to remove the noisy pixel from the image. Then click the thinning and minutate. This is the thinned image, and this is the minute extracted image. Then perform encrypt iris and fingerprint. It encrypt the iris and fingerprint images. Then perform extraction for iris. Iris features are extracted and displayed in the table. In this, use the hawk feature that displays 81 gradient points of the iris image. Then extract the features of fingerprint. This is minute features are displayed in the table. Then perform fuse features. This fuse the hog and minute features into one. After that, the message box displayed as features are fused. Then decrypt the iris and fingerprint images. Decrypt image is displayed in the same window. Then check the authentication result by clicking authentication result. The person is authenticated because we select first person's eye and first person fingerprint. I select the second person fingerprint by loading the fingerprint. 12 image denote the second person fingerprint. Then pre-processing step. Then perform thinning and minuting. Then encrypt the iris and fingerprint. Then perform feature extraction for iris, fingerprint, then fuse features. Then decrypt the images. Then perform authentication result. Then the test features is not authenticated.